Okay, so this video is going out to Matterport providers and real estate agents on what to expect and what you should have. So here, you've got, when you log into the Matterport, you've got photos, right? And part of the photos, you can have 360s, right? So we're going to download, oops. What's going on here? Okay, we're going to do this. Okay, and then you're going to get all these photos anyway. Then the other thing you do is in the video section, you want all of these. This is a GIF, which you download, and the short video intro and the long video intro. So now you have social media share functions with all of this, and you can do something with the listing website that you've been given. So let me show you a few things.